Welcome back to box break 10 in the case break of Select 2011 Infinity. First packet, and first pack we pulled out the draft pick signature, Isaac Smith from the Hawks. Nice looking signature card, and that is numbered 226 of 275. Next packet, so I've already picked the draft pick signature first pack up. This packet's full of all Australians except for one card. Next packet. All commons in that one. Next pack. Commons again. Next packet. And we've pulled a draft rookie, and this is Ryan Lester from the Brisbane Lions, numbered 311 of 400. Next packet. It's a best and fairest, Joe Watson. Next packet. All commons there. Next packet. It's a best and fairest, Joel Selwood. It's a draft rookie, Scott Lysette, West Coast Eagles, numbered 311 of 400. Next packet. And it's David Mundy, Fremantle Dockers, best and fairest. Packet. And it's the 1 in every 2 boxes Premiership Collection card for Geelong, 1925, PC 71, numbered 209 of 400. Packet. And it's our medal winner, and it's most valuable player, Dane Swan, medal winner number 6. Welcome back to the summary of cards we pulled out of box break 10 in this case break of 2011 AFL Infinity. First 3 cards are our best and fairest, David Mundy from Fremantle, Joel Selwood, Geelong, and Joe Watson, Essendon. We've also got our 2 draft rookies, Ryan Lester, which is draft rookie number 3 from Brisbane Lions. That one's numbered 311 of 400. Then we've also got draft rookie number 4, which is Scott Lysette from West Coast Eagles. Our medal winner is Dane Swan. That's medal winner number 6. Our draft pick signature is Isaac Smith, draft pick number 19 from Hawthorn. and that one is number 226 of 275. Nice looking draft pick signature, that one. We've also pulled out another Premiership collection number 71, Geelong 1925, and that one is numbered 209 of 400. GameDayTradingCards.com will be giving away a box of this Series 2 AFL Affinity. Just go to www.GameDayTradingCards.com, follow the prompts to join up the Game Day members bar, and you'll receive your ticket in the prize draw. This is going to be drawn on October the 1st on Grand Final Day in our big YouTube event for the AFL. So get yourself in the draw for one of these boxes, valued at $185, 36 packs per box. So this is a great opportunity to score yourself a box of this AFL Affinity 2011.